In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix SSL certificate errors on your website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to verify your certificate, rule out local issues, and get your site loading securely over HTTPS without warnings. First, confirm that your website actually has a valid SSL certificate installed. Visit your site using HTTPS and look for the padlock in the address bar. Click it to view the certificate details and make sure the domain name matches, the issuer is trusted, and the certificate hasn't expired. If you have access to your hosting dashboard, check the SSL status there as well to confirm it was issued and linked to the correct domain, including both the root domain and any subdomains you expect to use. If you see errors about a missing chain or intermediate, that means the certificate may not be installed completely. Next, clear your browser cache and try opening the site again. Browsers can hold on to outdated redirects, HSTS rules, or even an old certificate. Clear the cache and site data, close all browser windows, reopen the browser, and load the site fresh. A hard refresh can also help ensure you're pulling the latest resources. Make sure your computer's date and time are correct. SSL relies on precise time windows, so even a small mismatch can trigger validity errors. Set your system to update time automatically, verify the time zone, apply the change, and then test the site again. Try loading the site in another browser or on a different device. If it works elsewhere, the problem is likely local to your original browser or machine, and you can focus on its cache, extensions, or settings. If it fails everywhere, that points back to the server or the certificate itself. Verify that your domain is pointing to the correct server and that SSL activation has fully completed. Check that your DNS records resolve to the intended IP address. After updates, allow time for DNS and certificate issuance to propagate. Some providers take several minutes to finalize the certificate, and the site may show warnings until that process finishes. Only force HTTPS after the SSL is working correctly. Once the padlock appears without errors, enable your platform's force HTTPS or permanent redirect. Doing this too early can cause redirect loops or lock you out of admin pages. If the issue persists, reissue or reinstall the SSL certificate. Generate a fresh certificate that covers the exact host names you use, install the full chain provided by your issuer, and restart services if required. Then repeat the checks above to confirm a clean, secure connection.